Get into a car with value. 2016 GMC Sierra. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This strikingly handsome Sierra delivers full-size pickup strength and plenty of modern comfort and convenience. From its impressive towing and hauling capacity to its quiet, spacious cabin and tech-savvy connectivity, this is the truck built for today's lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Make your dreams come true in this can-do Sierra. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.